I really thought this was going to be a temporary solution. So this is a DIY kitchen faucet whipped together with two ball valves. This is not meant for daily use, but I read online that they are really, really durable. And here we are 1 year later, two of them, one here and one here. They are perfectly fine, working, and yeah, it's time to paint it, make it permanent. I thought I will paint it gray, and then all these shiny parts I will paint maybe black to be slightly different than traditional piping. So yeah, this was my solution for like $4 and parts that I had laying around. And this was a perfect solution when my faucet burst. It exploded basically, and yeah, I don't want one of those again. Those shiny things, they really don't work when you have high water pressure. So here's some gray paint mixed from white and black. So let's see. I'll paint everything gray. Oh boy. This DIY brush is not really working, but yeah, I don't care. It's good enough. Maybe I'll do two coats or something if it doesn't cover. Good enough. But yeah. Yeah, some water came out. That's to be expected. This is not ideal, but I think it will work. So I painted gray, and then I'll have to wait at least 2 hours before putting on a second coat if necessary. And then I can paint the black parts. So yeah, it doesn't cover very well. This is the cheapest paint I could find, like $2 for a container. But yeah, it seems good enough. I don't know. Time will tell. Should I paint the back? Nobody will see it. It faces the wall. Yeah, I'll paint it. Oh yeah, I missed some parts here. Like here. And the paint is dripping all over the place, but no problem. Yeah, it kind of works. Yeah, it's covered there. Now let's move to the rusty parts maybe. Maybe I'll put this down and hold it. Oh, that's not good. Water in the paint. It was dripping. Oh boy, this is unprofessional. For this you'd need a softer brush. This is very hard plastic brush. It's not ideal for this. But yeah, as I said before, you use what you have. It's good enough for home. It's not professional at all. Yeah. Painting the back maybe. That's too professional if you paint the back, which nobody will see. So yeah, covered the rust nicely. Soon I'll probably buy some new ball valves, maybe a bit more expensive, more reliable. But for now, this is the solution I'm using. I really like that I can use just cold water or just hot. In most of these kitchen faucet systems, you really have, you can only guess which one, if the cold one or the hot one is, yeah, it's coming. Because it has only one lever and you move it up, down, left, right. Who knows where the center is? And yeah, that's not really efficient. Then you're using the hot water heater even when you only want cold water. So that's a really bad invention in my opinion. So yeah, painting the back professionally. Yeah, I don't know how this will look when finished. Maybe it will look awful, but yeah, I want to make it at least a bit better so all the rust won't show. Yeah, I'll do some corrections later here. Right, didn't put enough paint. Well, it's mostly done. I'm out of storage on my camera, so maybe I show you the DIY brush I made. So on the plastic piece on the handle of an old brush, which was used and sticky, I put on some new strands from a big brush with some zip ties, and that's it. This seems a much better solution. The strands are not falling out. On the original brush, the strands were all over the place when I was painting. So, yeah, this may be a good solution, but I'd need softer strands for this specific paint.